Good day. So today we're on the Kia Sportage, just doing the bottom ball joints. So yeah, it is on the 09 plate, so I'll switch it around, show you how it's done. First things first, you want to get your car up on axle stands, take your wheel off, then you want to be undoing these two bolts here and this bolt here. This does have a pin through, so this pin needs taken out. On the new ones you don't have a pin. So yeah, undo these. These are 17mm here, either side here, and this is an 18mm bolt on here. So first things first, we'll take this pin out. So you want to squeeze them together like that, push it through, grab yourself some pliers, just wiggle it out. There we go, that's the pin out there. You want an 18mm socket or spanner, get it on there, just crack it open. So once you took that bottom bolt off, the 18mm, take that off. You want to undo the 217 bolts here, nut, sorry, that is 18mm nut, 17mm bolts. So as soon as you got them off like that, you want to just push this off like that, so that's off. Now what you're wanting is a ball joint remover. You can either use a ball joint or a big hammer, try and knock it up, just so it pops off. I'll use a ball joint remover as I got it. So yeah, so I'll get the ball joint remover. So as soon as you get it popped, it'll pop up like that, and all you want to do is just pull this out the way and just pull this up and out. There we go, all one off. If you see, that is absolutely knackered. So yeah, we'll just get the new one now. So here's the new one, nice and shiny. So we've got to do is pull this arm down, put it in first into the arm, then we'll slide all your foot back over and bolt it all back up, then we'll do the nut last. So there we go, that's pushed in there. Actually all you do, pull this down, put this through the hole here first, then you move the whole foot back up over it so it lines up with your holes. You just put your bolts back in, your 17mm. This will come with a new nut, what's there. The new ones you don't need a pin through, so yeah, you just tighten that, tighten the nut back up as it's got like a lock tie on, so it don't come undone. So we'll put these 17mm back in. So there we go, all bolted back up. If you do find this thread turning when you're trying to put this nut back on, just get an hammer, just whack when you feel up, not the thread, just the arm here, just so it locks it in tighter and it will stop spinning. So yeah, the new nut is a 19mm, so you're going to need a 17mm, 18mm and 19mm sockets or spanners. So yeah, that's how you do a bottom ball joint on a Kia Sportage. Pretty simple really, took about 15 minutes all in, all the old job. Just got the other side to do now, so yeah.